Hello everyone, it's September already and it's that phase of preparation where things become real. You cannot afford to procrastinate, you cannot afford to postpone or even sort out your priorities, right? You have taken the decision to write GATE exam and you have to write. And so I wanted to give you one little advice, but an important advice, and that is to take a break. Do not underestimate the importance of taking a break. Now, what do I mean exactly by a break, right? So, a break is anything which will energize you, which will rejuvenate you, so that your body is again back to working to its maximum potential, maximum efficiency. It can be as simple as watching the sunrise or going out for a walk, or even just hanging out with some of your close friends who will, really motivate you to keep doing your best. And like I always say, everyone is different. So, what works for you may not work for someone else, and what works for someone else may not be working out for you. So, basically, you need to really explore what is really giving you that re energizing, right? So, explore that and keep doing it at a frequency that seems most best for you so that your efficiency and your potential is at the maximum.